Welcome to the beautiful island of Sri Lanka, where cascading waterfalls offer a spectacle of beauty and wonder. In this documentary, we will explore some of the most majestic waterfalls in Sri Lanka, their history, and the importance they hold for the island's biodiversity. Sri Lanka is home to a plethora of breathtaking waterfalls that attract visitors from all over the world, with the monsoon season bringing heavy rainfall to the island's hill country. Waterfalls in Sri Lanka are in full flow, making them even more mesmerizing. Sri Lanka's waterfalls have a rich history, dating back thousands of years. Some of the waterfalls are mentioned in ancient texts such as the Mahavamsa, and some have even been the site of ancient rituals and ceremonies. Apart from their beauty and cultural significance, waterfalls in Sri Lanka play a vital role in the island's ecosystem. They are home to a variety of flora and fauna, some of which are endemic to the island. In this documentary, we have explored the beauty, history, and importance of waterfalls in Sri Lanka. These natural wonders not only captivate visitors, but also serve as a vital part of Sri Lanka's cultural and environmental heritage. We hope this documentary inspires you to witness the splendor of Sri Lanka's waterfalls for yourself. Thank you for watching.